Unlock the power of AI. Create stunning content, images, and thumbnails effortlessly. Are you tired of spending countless hours creating content, images, and thumbnails? What if you could harness the power of AI to do it all for you? Imagine generating professional quality materials in minutes, freeing up your time for more creative endeavors. Intrigued? Read on to discover the top 3 AI tools that will revolutionize your content creation process. Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Abraham, and today we're diving into top 3 AI tools you can't miss. Stay tuned until the end for some valuable tips and insights. Let's jump right in. 1. Jasper, formerly Jarvis, the future of content writing. Create engaging content in minutes. Why choose Jasper? AI-powered text generation, craft blog posts, social media updates, and marketing. Copy effortlessly. SEO optimization, ensure your content ranks high on search engines with built-in SEO tools. Multi-language support, create content in multiple languages to reach a broader audience. Step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up and log in. Create an account on Jasper and log in. 2. Choose a template. Select from a variety of templates designed for different content types. 3. Input your requirements. Provide initial inputs like keywords and desired tone. 4. Generate content. Let Jasper work its magic, then review and make any necessary edits. 5. Export, copy, and use your content on any platform you choose. 2. Canva Pro, your all-in-one design solution. Transform your ideas into visual masterpieces. Why choose Canva Pro? Ready-to-use templates. Whether you need a social media post, presentation, or YouTube thumbnail, Canva Pro has you covered. Endless customization with a vast library of images, icons, and elements. Your creative possibilities are limitless. User-friendly interface, no design experience, no problem. Canva's drag and drop tool makes it easy for anyone to create stunning visuals. Step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up and log in. Create an account on Canva and log in. 2. Choose a template. Select from hundreds of pre-designed templates tailored to your needs. 3. Customize. Add your own text, images, and elements with ease. 4. Download, export your design in high-quality formats like JPEG, or PDF. 3. DALL-E to buy. OpenAI, revolutionize your visual content. Generate unique images with just a text prompt. Why choose DALL-E 2? AI-generated images create unique, high-quality images from simple text descriptions. Customization options, refine and tweak images to fit your exact needs. High-resolution output, perfect for any project requiring detailed visuals. Step-by-step guide. 1. Access the platform. Sign up or log in to the DALL-E platform. 2. Enter a prompt. Describe the image you want to create in detail. 3. Generate image. Watch as DALL-E brings your description to life. 4. Refine, adjust your prompt and regenerate until you get the perfect image. 5. Download, save your image in high resolution for any use. Ready to transform your content creation process with these powerful AI tools? Dive in now and see how Canva Pro, Jasper, and DALL-E can take your projects to the next level. Your journey to effortless content creation starts here. Thanks you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of new uploads. See you in the next video.